chicken nuggets. This is Chidi, my assistant. We already have the chicken breast inside. Now we're gonna add onion powder. This is onion powder. We're gonna dump into here. This is garlic powder. We're gonna put into here. This is salt. We're gonna put it in here. This is sugar. And I think there's a little MSG in it. And then we're gonna put it in there. Yeast extract, we're gonna put it in there. We're gonna put white pepper in here. Chidi, this is how you crack it. Like this. And it'll come out, okay? Now we add some oil. I'm gonna put the oil right in here. Lastly, we're gonna put cornstarch. We're gonna put it in here. Gee, this is how you put stuff. We're gonna crack the egg, Chidi. Oh, so Chidi. We're gonna crack the egg. We're gonna whisk, Chidi. This is how you do it. These are chicken nuggets. I think she's putting them in flour.
Cornstarch.
Oh yeah, cornstarch.
You need to.
T-Rex success.
Is it really? Is it really yummy nugget, sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Can you describe how is it taste like? Does it taste like McDonald's, really? Oh, that's really good compliment. Thank you. Say bye.